Hey Credit Cousins, today we have a $25,000 award available for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Keep watching to learn more and how you can get a piece of the pie. Dream Big Awards program honors the achievements of small businesses and highlights their contribution to America's economic growth in introducing a Dream Big Small Business of Year award. There will be one winner and the following prizes will be awarded to the winner of the Dream Big Small Business of Year award. For the following, this is what a winner will get: a $25,000 cash prize, 1 year paid U.S. Chamber of Commerce membership that is valued at $250, a promotional video played during the award ceremony, and an article of the U.S. Chamber of Commerce which will be featuring the winner. In order to qualify for this $25,000 award, your business must meet the following. Your business must be a for-profit business operating for at least 1 year, primarily within the United States. Your business must have fewer than 250 employees or have gross revenue of less than $20 million for each of 2020 and 2021. The application deadline is July 8th of 2022. Businesses can apply for up to 2 award categories, and all applicants will be considered for the Small Business of the Year award, which is a $25,000 cash prize. This will give you a better chance at winning the award. Award categories are Emerging Business. This award recognizes a startup company that has attained outstanding businesses achievement with fewer than 25 employees in 1 to 3 years of full-time operation and not a buyout of an existing company. Green or sustainable business. This award recognizes a small business that has achieved excellence in creation and implementation of a sustainable business practice, including waste and recycling programs, water stewardship, efficiency in building environment, or any other significant effort designed to limit the way a business impacts the environment. Minority-owned business. This award recognizes a minority-owned small business. The business must be at least 51% owned or controlled by one or more U.S. residents of the following ethnic and minority groups: African American, Hispanic American, Native American, Asian Pacific American, and or South Asian American. Veteran-owned business. This award recognizes a veteran-owned small business. The business must be at least 51% or controlled by one or more U.S. veterans. Women-owned business. The business must be at least 51% owned or controlled by one or more women who are U.S. residents. Young entrepreneur business. This award recognizes a small business owner, founder, or co-founder aged between 14 and 30 who has or have attained outstanding business achievement. LGBTQ owned business. The business must be at least 51% owned or controlled by one or more individuals who identify as part of the LGBTQ community, including transgender and non-binary, gender non-conforming individuals, and are U.S. residents. Community Support and Leadership Award. This award recognizes a small business that has demonstrated an exemplary level of leadership and community engagement to assist the needs of its community and to service the needs of its customers, employees, and neighbors. So let's go over the application so you'll know exactly what to expect. In the first of the application, you will select your award category. You will be able to duplicate the application entry and choose your second award category once you submit your first application. Next, you will input your general information about yourself. Then you will input your business information, such as when your business was established, your website, your phone number, your address of your business, photo of your business logos, the business mission statement, and the business owner's information. Next is the financial information for your business. And they do ask for your 2020 and 2021 business gross revenue and how many part-time and full-time employees you have, if you have some. Next, they would like to know your business narrative and a little bit about your business with these 3 following questions. Question 1, tell us all about your business. Describe your business, including but not limited to its history, number of years in business, its products and or services offered. Consider including what makes your business unique. What about your business makes you proud? What awards and recognition your business has received, and to what you contribute the success of your business. Question 2, describe the mission and goal of your business. Detail your management philosophy and how it has helped to address business challenges. Provide details of innovative and creative strategies you use to improve your business, including not limited to marketing, product development, talent solutions, and company culture. So you want to provide examples. Question 3, describe how your business has been successful in its first to 1 to 3 years. Please provide key examples of how your business has grown since its inception, what your next cycle of growth will ideally look like, and where you would intend the business will be 5 years from now. Then we move to the customer and community relations section, and they ask the following questions. Describe your business customer relations strategies and benefits. Provide examples of how you have used some of the innovative strategies selected above to acquire and or attain customers. Question number 2, describe how your business is an active corporate citizen in your community. For example, partnership with local nonprofits. Maybe you have charitable contribution to education. Maybe you're a part of health or civic programs, or you do employee volunteer programs. Maybe you have eco-friendly green initiatives. Please provide examples. And the last part is optional, to add additional items you would like to share with the judges. For example, maybe you have a business plan, a statement of goals, and a letter of recommendation, customer reviews, etc. And also, I would also, maybe you want to include a Google Sheet that basically tell them what you'll do with this $25,000 award. It doesn't say or have a question of how you would spend this money, but I think that would be another thing you may want to add to this application to let them know that you are, a business owner that has a plan to do something with this $25,000 award. And you can also edit your application after submitting up until the application deadline, which is July 8th of 2022. So if you like these type of videos, please leave this video a thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Thank you for being patient with getting through this entire video about the $25,000 award. I want to make sure that you guys are clear about what this award is for and what the application look like, before you go into it. Let me know in this comment section if this grant is worth your time and if you would check this one out. Make sure to check out the Credit Cousin Club private group where we share our credit tips and tricks and data points on credit card approvals, loan approvals, and so much more. So make sure you click the link in the pinned comments in the video description below to join. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.